Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the incoming shipment in Odoo within one step. So in Odoo, the incoming shipment can streamline your shipment process to a single step and making it more efficient and less time consuming. And this one-step process directly move the product from the vendor to your stock. So you can just move to the inventory module and from there we can find the configuration and choose the warehouses. So under the warehouses, I'm going to choose the warehouse 2 over here. And here under the incoming shipment, we have set receive and store the products in a single step. Now afterwards, we can just move on to the purchase module, and in the purchase module we can just create a new RFQ where I'm going to fill out the details of the vendor, and I'm gonna choose the vendor over here as openwood. You can also choose a product by clicking on add a line, and from this list I would like to choose a product which has 0 as its stock. So I would like to choose a product which is customized cabinet metric. And here I'm going to set the quantity over here as 50, and let me save this. So as I have saved this, the next step is that to confirm the RFQ. So here you can see that the RFQ is just turned into a purchase order. We can receive the item to our stock in a single step by moving on to the received product or choosing the reception. Receipts. So here you can see that the item will be directly getting from the openwood vendor and moving to the destination. But I would like to navigate into the inventory module, and here you can see a transfer is created. So as I just move on to the transfer, here you can see the same transfer which is generated, and you can just click on validate so that the item now move to the store. Now click on new button, and here you can just choose the vendor. I would like to choose the vendor as openwood. So you can search for openwood over here. And I would like to choose a product which is having 0 as its stock. So as you just drag down here, you can see monitor stand is a product which is having low stock. And here you can see that you can just choose the warehouse from here. So I would like to choose a warehouse as warehouse 2, and we just need to keep the item in the warehouse 2 over here. Okay. So afterwards, let me confirm the order, and I just need to set the price over here. So I'm going to set the price of the monitor over here as 499. Afterwards, here I'm going to change the quantity as 50, and let's save this and confirm the order. So you can see that the order has just turned into, the RFQ has just moved into the purchase order. And we can either receive the item from the receive product button, or we can just type into the receipt and also validate that. So the item will be taking from Openwood and moving to the destination location, that is W2 stock. Okay. But I would like to move to the inventory module. From the inventory module, you can see that a new um, yeah transfer will be created under the warehouse 2. So let me choose that, and here you can see we can just click on validate as we are just moving with uh, one step of the incoming shipment. We don't need to undergo with any other transfers over here, which means this will directly take the item from the vendor and will be moving to the destination location. So if you want to find the move histories, you can find that. And as you just move on to the monster stand, you can see the monster stand with 50 quantity is currently stocked over here by using the incoming shipment within one step. So that's how we just deal with the incoming shipment in one step. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.